Good evening, all. It is Sunday night. This is Shay Horo at ShogunTrading.com. This is going to be the last day of the year. Tomorrow, the market is going to be open. It is going to be open the full day. Tuesday, the market, of course, is closed for the New Year's. Tomorrow is going to be extremely slow. People are basically going to be coming in to close positions, do paperwork, do financial statements, do taxes, plan their parties. That's what people are going to be focusing on. Very, very few people are actually going to be trading. Remember that most people close positions on the last day of the year. They don't open new ones. And when you close a position, you just say, I just want to sell it. You don't say, I want to sell it at this price, and I really, really want to sell it. See, when you enter positions, when you're actually entering position, you have momentum. You have hunger. You really, really want the position. And that's what creates market movement. Tomorrow, most people are going to be taking off, and they're going to be dumping positions. They don't really care where they're dumping it at. So I don't expect much movement out of tomorrow at all. I highly recommend that you do not trade tomorrow. I highly recommend that you stay on the sidelines, forget about the market, plan your parties, do your paperwork, do whatever you need to do, but come back Wednesday ready to trade, because Wednesday is 2008, and we're going to do extremely well in 2008, and you have to be prepared for it. Speaking of being prepared for 2008, I believe that goal setting for the year is extremely important. You have to have a roadmap to where you want to go, and you have to have a destination in mind. You cannot just come into the market, you cannot just come into trading and say, you know what, I just want to make money, I just want to be profitable. I just want to make a living, I just want to pay the bills. I have never seen a trader successful that's their goal. I just want to pay the bills. You have to have an exact goal. An exact goal that motivates you, exact goal that makes you wake up in the morning, that excites you. You have to have a goal that is very, very specific. A goal with a specific pay value. What is it worth to you? These are all kinds of things that I'm going to be talking about in an email that I'm going to be releasing tomorrow. I wrote a chapter, which probably will be part of a book that I'm going to publish pretty soon. But it's a whole chapter about goal setting and what you're going to, why you need goal setting and how to set your goal, how to put together a trading plan, and so on, with very, very specific details on how to get that done. And I think it's extremely important in 2008 if you really want to get somewhere in 2008. I think trading is going to be where it's at for 2008. I don't believe that real estate is going to be where it's at, or anything along those lines. Most people tend to crawl up into their cocoon when the market is, when the economy is unstable. I suggest that you take the bull by the horns, and I suggest that you make money trading, because you can. Doesn't matter what the market is doing, you can make money. And that's the beautiful thing behind the market itself. Let me talk a little bit about the indexes, because we've had this chart in front of us for quite a while. Please look at the chart. 2000 was our support. 2146 was our resistance. And we've been going back and forth between the two of them without any kind of major trend over the last couple months, really. November and December. If we look at the S&P 500, basically the same thing. We had a really, really nice trend right after October. Came back, which was okay. Came back down, not so good, and then back up. Lack of trend, obvious. But the thing about it is we are consolidating into a wedge-shaped consolidation right now, which is a very good thing for us. That means that as soon as we break out of this wedge-shaped consolidation, we'll have a nice trend. I think that's going to happen in the new year, obviously, after Wednesday. And I plan on being very ready for that. The breakout out of this wedge is going to have multiple waves, and our goal is, of course, to trade all of them. Sorry about that break. So that's going to be our goal. And the S&P 500 looks like it wants to break out of this wedge in either way. And I don't have a prediction on which way, and I don't really care which way it goes, as long as we go into a trend. Dow Jones Industrial Average, basically the same thing. Also a wedge-shaped consolidation that could translate into a long-term trend first month of the year. So be prepared for that. Be prepared for the trend. You want to be able to take advantage of it, so be out there. look for the email that I'm going to be sending out. Those of you that are only getting the video and not the emails, make sure that you go to our website, shoguntrading.com, and you sign up for our emails, because then you will get that email about goal setting, which, of course, I think is extremely important. Anyway, have a great holiday. Make sure that you focus on celebrating the new year. Be happy. It's going to be a great year. Go from there. Anyway, have a great day tomorrow, and I'll talk to you next week. Take care.